How to fix the CapCut is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to access CapCut but it is not working, here are some of the fixes. First and foremost, check your internet connection as CapCut application requires stable connection to function properly. You can even switch between mobile data to check if it is the issue. Likewise, if the stable connection is available, you can check if the app has been updated. Go to Play Store, search for CapCut and check if the update button is there. If it is not, let's move on to next solution. For this, you will have to go back to your home page, long press the CapCut application and go to App Info. From here now, select on permissions and make sure all permissions are given. After that, go to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Once this is done, you can restart your device and relaunch the app and it should work perfectly. However, if it is not, you'll have to contact the support. For this, you can go to the previous Play Store page and to the CapCut. Here, you will see App Support. From here, you can email them regarding your problem along with a screenshot, and this should work. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.